Making everyone happy is our #1 priority. So when someone takes the time and writes us an awesome 5-star review, complimenting our great service, we love to share it. Here's what they had to say. We're always thrilled to hear about a happy experience with our company. We work hard to deliver 5-star top-shelf services to each and every individual. It's great to receive positive feedback, since it's a fantastic confirmation that our focus on quality really is the best approach. But don't take the reviewer's word for it. Discover the difference for yourself. We're confident you'll love the value and attention to detail that's become our specialty. We want to thank you for checking us out today. You can contact us at the number on the screen. We hope to hear from you soon.